This is for the people who are physically and emotionally abused. You deserve better. And I know that you deserve better. Waiting for the courage to hit on you na dapat mo nang iwan yung taong dapat mo nang iwanan. Pero kailan yun? Are you going to waste your life for the person who is just going to hurt you all and all over again? Sorry pero you're not going to love yourself, to heal your traumas if you are still there. And you keep on romanticizing all the good things he or she done for you. Paano naman yung mga times na binugbog ka niya, pinagsalitaan ka niya ng mga masasakit na salita? You can forgive a person, but you can also run away. You can also walk away. Now is the right time to have things end. Hindi sapat yung pagmamahal lang para magstay ka dyan. You're wasting your life. And you are hurting yourself. So yeah.